Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the Wi-Fi connected but no internet secured error in Windows 11 or 10 PC. If you are connected via Wi-Fi or internet and still you see no internet secured message, don't worry, I've got a few quick fixes to help you get back online. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. So first, open your internet properties by typing in etc.cpl and open this application. So now just simply click on it and that should open your internet properties. Now over here, just simply click on the Connections tab and then just simply click on LAN Settings. Now look for the Use a Proxy Server for your LAN option, which you can see right over here. Once you see this option, make sure that it is unchecked, and if it is checked, make sure to make it unchecked. Then click on Apply, then hit OK again, and then it'll save the changes. Next, open your network connections by typing ncpa.cpl and click on Open. Now once this page appears in front of you, just simply right-click on your active network adapter, whether it is an internet or a Wi-Fi. Just simply choose the properties for that particular network. Right-click, go to the Properties tab. Now in the Properties window, first uncheck Internet Protocol v6, which should be right over here. If you scroll down a little bit, then after that, select Internet Protocol v4, which is right over here, and then just simply double-click on it, and that will open the IPv4 properties. Now over here, ensure that both Obtain an IP address automatically and Obtain DNS server address automatically are selected. Then click on OK, then click on OK to apply, and after that, click on OK to apply the settings. Now after updating your adapter settings, right-click on the internet or Wi-Fi adapter again and choose Disable. Now wait for a few seconds, and after that, again, right-click and this time select Enable. Now by doing this, you will be able to refresh your network's connection. Finally, perform a network reset. So open Windows Search and type Network Reset, then select the Network Reset setting. Click on this option, and then right over here, just simply click on the Reset Now button. Keep in mind, this will remove all your network adapters and reset your network settings to their default. After the reset, you will need to re-enter your Wi-Fi passwords, so make sure you have it handy. Once you click on Reset, you have to reset your computer as well. So that's it. And these steps should help you fix the Wi-Fi connected but no internet issue on your Windows 11 or 10 PC. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides.